Navigating the process of obtaining a 10-year Thailand visa in 2025 can seem daunting, but I'm here to break it down for you. First off, let's talk about the new rules that have been put in place. Thailand has made some significant changes to its visa policies, aiming to attract long-term visitors and expats. To qualify for the 10-year visa, you'll need to meet specific criteria. One of the most important requirements is financial stability. You must demonstrate a minimum income or savings. As of 2025, the threshold is set at around 1.5 million Thai baht, which is roughly 45,000 US. This amount can be in your bank account or through a steady income stream, like a pension or salary from a job abroad. Next, you'll need to provide proof of health insurance. This is a new requirement that reflects Thailand's commitment to ensuring that long-term visitors can access healthcare without burdening the local system. Make sure your insurance covers a wide range of medical services, including hospitalization and emergency care. Now, let's discuss the application process. You'll start by filling out an online application form on the Thai government's official immigration website. This is where you'll upload all your documentation, including your financial proof and health insurance details. It's crucial to ensure that all your documents are in order and translated into Thai if necessary. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or even rejection. Once your application is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email. This is where the waiting game begins. Processing times can vary, but you should expect anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. Patience is key here. If your application is approved, you'll be granted a visa that allows you to stay in Thailand for up to 10 years, with the option to renew. One of the best parts of this visa is that it allows multiple entries. So, if you want to travel to neighboring countries, you can do so without worrying about losing your visa status. However, keep in mind that you'll need to report your address to the immigration office every 90 days. This is a standard procedure in Thailand, and it's essential to stay compliant to avoid any legal issues. Lastly, let's touch on the lifestyle aspect. Living in Thailand with a long-term visa opens up a world of opportunities. You can immerse yourself in the culture, enjoy the stunning beaches, and indulge in the delicious food. Plus, the cost of living is relatively low compared to many Western countries, which means you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. In summary, securing a 10-year Thailand visa in 2025 involves demonstrating financial stability, obtaining health insurance, and navigating the online application process. With the right preparation, you can enjoy all that Thailand has to offer for a decade. So, if you're considering this adventure, start gathering your documents and get ready.